We turn the future into reality. We achieve a quality close to perfect. We build trust that the world can count on. A company that specializes in product development, JInhyuntech. People said that our processing method wasn't possible. Never giving up, JInhyuntech made it possible. By considering all features when planning our designs and taking on endless design and production challenges, we go above and beyond the goals set for us by our partners. A small but robust company that is able to achieve perfection thanks to our outstanding technological prowess and craftsmanship. Our products are our pride. Trials and errors in the processing system and other difficulties are handled at reasonable costs by JInhyuntech using our exclusive accumulated knowledge and expertise. In a factory building with seismic design, we manage temperature, humidity, and vibrations 24/7 to remove even the smallest error of 1 micrometer. We keep every deadline, guaranteeing the continuity of R&D conducted together with our partners. From prototypes to mass production, we perform all processes and seek to grow as specialists in numerous areas, expanding our technological prowess in Korea and overseas to achieve globalization. A company that turns the future into reality, together with our partners. JInhyuntech.